Hello, this is Daniel. I'm back with Travel Poor, Live Rich, and we are going on a tour of the Cham Islands with Hoi An Green Travel. We're going to take a speedboat off the coast of Hoi An and head about half an hour across the ocean to the Cham Islands, and we're going to spend the day going snorkeling and having lunch, and then later on this afternoon we're going to head back. It's all because today is my wife's birthday, and this is her birthday present. Hey guys, want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hi, buddy.
Hi. Hi.
Hey, Tek Tek.
Hi. Bro.
Bro.
Hey.
Babe.
Next to you.
So hopefully we're in for a really good day, and we'll be seeing you a little later.
I'm buying.
Take care. Hello, I am back, and we are here at the riverbanks on the mouth of the river where it meets the ocean, and we're getting ready to hop on the speedboat and take off once we're all registered and ready to go. Bro.
Hi.
Take a look.
Sir, your family water. Five bottle.
Thank you.
Please down one minute.
It's just absolutely beautiful. I think we're going to be in for a good day. See you soon. Hey bro, what are you doing today, buddy?
I'm going snorkeling after 2 years of not doing it.
Where are you going to go snorkeling at?
I'm going
Some islands here in Vietnam, some are that way. I can't see them.
What are they called? The Cham Islands?
I don't know. You haven't told me.
I'm telling you, it's called the Cham Islands.
Cham Islands?
Yep.
Okay. Cool. Nice.
So now we are leaving the channel and headed out to the ocean. Getting ready to go through the mouth of the river, and it's just beautiful. Peaceful, calm day. What do you see, buddy? Oh, you see a boat?
A bike boat.
Anna, say hi, buddy.
Look at all that water.
Say hi, buddy.
On your bottom? Say hi. Hello. Ah, you wanted a speedboat, Declan. It's a speedboat.
Now play check out blind check it.
In a few minutes, we're going to check out the
Swimming
village.
from here to there.
Sounds good.
They can handle it.
You can do.
We've been on about Wait, 20 Hannah. planes.
Wait, Hannah.
Okay, now play check out blind check it. Bring y'all get on the boat. Follow me video along the village 45 minutes, and then the boat goes down.
you.
Hey, Hannah.
Like,
Bro,
come on.
how fun was that?
Nice.
You were almost asleep.
Tete, did you have fun, buddy? Tobias,
Yeah, go ahead.
Tobias, did you have fun, buddy?
Uh-huh.
So we just made, it was actually like a 20-minute trip, but it felt like less than 5 minutes. It was just a nice little boat ride across the bay, and here we are. This beautiful tropical island. It's a little bit partly overcast, but partly sunny, and I think the day's going to get better. So we are here on the Cham Islands, and they are just exactly what you would think of them. This beautiful little sleepy fishing village. The water is just spectacular, turquoise green, even in the a little bit of an overcast. Lots of little markets.
Let's go. Follow me. Yeah, boy.
And we're off. Come here, buddy. Otters and crabs.
Why?
Because that's what their job is, to go fishing.
They have those dolphin traps.
This is just a spectacular little authentic experience that is just stunning and so worth doing. The kids are just going crazy with excitement at all the new things they're seeing and the cool things they're getting to do. And this is why you come to a place like Vietnam. There's the beauty in the people.
And 7 islands small, we get a K also. And the first, this one. What do you look like a bed? Special bird. Today, they fly early morning, 5 a.m. They fly far away to where? Every Vietnam. But they never about it. They eat some live frog. And then drink some water from the fall. In the evening, they jump in a cave. A couple they met at New Speak, they met there. How long you met there? For 2 months. And then they got the egg. The egg grow up become the kid. The kid get the field and then fly. They catch fish net. A lot of fish there.
Okay.
Now they turn up the fish. And
then
depend the kind of the fish, they make some net floating on the sea or some net down the sea. But normally one net long, 100 meter, and wide 3 meter. But we still know to make the net from nylon. They make nylon.
Oh, nylon.
They made by handmade. And how long to make one net? 3 months. Finish one net. But the fishermen very hard job on the sea. They don't remember which area to get the rock. They put the net down there. When they build the net broken and the prepare. Or some net they put floating at evening. The other boat can't see the net. They bring the net and we are the motor and take away. They lose the net to make the one. And every year from 15 to 20.
Yeah. Ah, big sea turtle. What is that?
Okay. We go to the harbor, change. Let's go.
the Cham Islands.
Hannah, don't go back in.
Swimming, snorkeling.
Mommy, Mia, goes on. Mia goes
Okay.
Say hi, buddy.
Hey.
Hannah, say hi.
Hi.
Babe, say hi.
Hello.
Give me your goggles. Oh, you got them? Hey, bro. Say hi. Hey, babe. Say bye-bye. Okay, go, buddy. Okay, go, Hannah.
No.
Go, Dick Dick.
Go on, buddy. You can do it.
Yeah.
You didn't want to jump. You said you didn't want to jump. Okay, well, wait. I was going to the other side.
This is paradise. This is what we came here for. Show our kids a world that they would have never seen it where we were back home.
I use my mouth.
With your mouth, okay, Hannah? Be careful, okay?
Hey, bro. Are you going to do a flip, buddy? Okay, go jump.
Look, he's going to flip. What? Big flip.
Go, buddy.
A big flip. I hurt my leg.
Okay, Hannah, jump if you can jump.
I'm going this way. I'm going this way.
Yeah, now bring your luggage. You know, follow me to restaurant 200 here. Relax, bring more.
So here we are on a private beach on Cham Island, and it is absolute paradise. White sandy beach, beautiful turquoise green water, palm trees everywhere, sun is shining. This is the quintessential island life. It's absolutely amazing. Take a look.
Careful. You did. Are you done?
No. Can you get in the water now?
So we're back, and that was just absolutely awesome. The kids are asleep on the 20-minute boat ride home.
Okay.
Fantastic time, something definitely worth doing.